Have you ever looked at your Credit Karma score and felt like it was a complete misrepresentation of your financial health? Maybe you've noticed a negative item on your Equifax report that you know is inaccurate. Well, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation, and today, we're going to show you how to dispute Equifax on Credit Karma and potentially improve your credit score. Let's dive into why it's so important to dispute inaccurate information on your credit report. Your credit score plays a significant role in various aspects of your life, from securing loans and mortgages to getting a job. A single negative item can have a substantial impact. Step-by-step guide. Log into Credit Karma. The first step is to log into your Credit Karma account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a free account. Review your Equifax report. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Equifax credit report. This report will show all the information that Equifax has on file for you. Identify the inaccurate item. Carefully review your report to identify the specific item you want to dispute. This could be a late payment, a collection, or any other negative entry that you believe is incorrect. Gather supporting documentation. To strengthen your dispute, gather any supporting documentation you have. This could include canceled checks, payment receipts, or correspondence with the creditor. Start the dispute process. Credit Karma provides a convenient tool to initiate a dispute. Follow the on-screen instructions and provide detailed information about the inaccurate item. Submit your dispute. Once you've completed the necessary information, submit your dispute. Credit Karma will forward your dispute to Equifax. Monitor the process. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on your Credit Karma account. Equifax will typically respond within 30 to 45 days. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a response within the expected time frame, don't hesitate to follow up with Credit Karma or Equifax directly. Tips and tricks. Be detailed and specific. When explaining the error, be as detailed as possible. Provide specific dates, amounts, and any other relevant information. Be persistent. If your initial dispute is unsuccessful, don't give up. You may need to provide additional evidence or escalate the matter. Consider professional help. If you're struggling to resolve the dispute on your own, consider consulting with a credit repair professional. Keep a record. Maintain a record of all your communications with Equifax, including copies of any letters or emails. Disputing inaccurate information on your Equifax credit report can be a powerful way to improve your credit score. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can take control of your financial future and potentially eliminate negative items that are hurting your creditworthiness. So, what are you waiting for? If you have an inaccurate item on your Equifax report, don't let it hold you back. Take action today and start the dispute process. Remember, your credit score is important, and it's worth fighting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.